All right, here we are looking at the key for a Kia. This happens to be a Kia Soul. So this is one of the more easy keys to replace. The switchblade style, you will open up the switchblade, which kind of reveals this gap here. You can see this line right here. That's where it will disconnect from. So on this other key, I've already unclipped it a little bit, but you will just pull right there, and then it reveals the battery. So it's a 2032 battery, which is probably the most common battery in keys for cars. And then it just has a couple clips on the bottom there. There's one here, one there, and then two on the top that hold it in. So the ones on the bottom will allow the battery to push up, and then it'll pop out, and that's how you replace the battery. Sorry, I was able to actually use something I had on me right here in the car. You could use a credit card, something very flat, and just kind of pop it in that bottom part of it and then slide it underneath to get it to come out. So this one, to get it back in, you'll push it in from the bottom and then it clips. So you want to put your credit card or something flat down here and push up, and then it kind of pops right out. And then, of course, when you're done, pop that back on there. And there you have it. We've replaced our battery in our Kia remote. Thank you for watching.